So Kickoff itself is very similar. It really depends on where you at. Now, if you guys really do not have that much money, then go ahead and get the Kickoff account. Let them report to the credit bureau. It's going to be very similar. But if you guys have more money where you guys can have better accounts, should I say, report to the credit bureaus, because they're the account with self actually will report more, then go ahead and go the self route. But if you guys have a very low credit score, you guys need accounts reporting, get them both. I actually got them both. So I tell people, get them both, especially if you have a very low credit score. But it's very much going to depend, you guys. It's going to definitely depend. And like I said too, I have this Kickoff credit account, I have the loan. I'm not going to get their cash card, but you can definitely get the secure credit card with the self. You can also get their installment account. So you can definitely get them both. If I was to have to choose one, I think I still would choose myself, because they're going to report to all three credit bureaus, and I've just been with self for a while. But if we talking fees and things like that, then you're definitely paying more less fees with the credit bureau loan with the Kickoff account. But this Kickoff credit account, to me, is just draining you of money. If you're going to get this one, I just suggest you go ahead and get their large builder account with self, and then in 3 months go ahead and get their secure credit card, and you'll be doing like the same thing, and you'll be paying less in fees, because this is $25 per year. But this Kickoff account, let's go ahead and check it out too, because people don't understand the fees. You're paying $5 per month basically for that Kickoff account. So that's $60 a year compared to the $25 that you'll be paying on that secure credit card with self. So, you can say versus, but definitely pick which one you like. That's all I can say. Pick which one you like. But if your credit score is very low, get them both. Like, there's no reason for you guys to be choosing which one you want.